Hi Max, you may want to add this to the handover if anybody else needs this as a reference. So I'll just quickly go through the domain names. Brent at Think Money is the contact, and it's not on my screen because you sent me an SMS, but it says that for argument's sake, this one, illuminateinjectables.com.au. The domain name password is, well, it's written down here. I don't need to repeat it. If you go to, so the Maxim Google account, Drive, login password settings folder, and then website logins, that is here. He has previously sent us all of these passwords here. Now, the password for Illuminate Injectables is different to the password that he has just sent through, and it's happened before. So if you do get requests, I would just keep asking him for a password, or try these passwords first. And if it doesn't work, you'll have to reach out to him, because I think he resets the password, or he has newer passwords and this is old. So with that said, the place that you go for this password is synergywholesale.com. Once you get there, you just come up to partner login, click on partner login, and then type in Illuminate Injectables, in this case, .com.au, password X9LLDA. Log in, and then you have the domain name. It's registered. It expires in 57 days, and custom name servers. So in here, name servers. So here, this is the name server for where it is hosted at the moment. So by finding out the new host name servers from a new host, just ask them. You can update these name servers, and then the domain will be transferred over to your nominated hosting provider. Or you can just renew with Illuminating Synergy Wholesale. So that's essentially it. Hope that's of help. Cheers.